Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, honey.
I see you got your coffee going.
Yep, I'm making coffee.
So today I want to talk about why we went to South Dakota.
Why did we go to South Dakota, honey? Tell me all about it.
So we could get our IDs from there and we could be residents of South Dakota instead of California.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know why we wanted to do that?
Why do we do that, honey?
Because we didn't want to pay California taxes anymore.
I like that idea.
That's
yep.
an awesome
No
idea.
state taxes.
No state taxes in South Dakota.
Mm-hmm.
It is the only state that I know of that allows you to get residency when you spend the night there, have one hotel receipt for that night, have your existing passport, which is valid, and a valid ID or driver's license, your social security card you needed,
Mm-hmm.
and then you needed one piece of mail
Mm-hmm.
that was sent to your South Dakota address.
Mm-hmm.
So we set up a traveling mailbox in South Dakota a few days before we went in there,
Mm-hmm.
and we just sent a piece of mail.
Mm-hmm.
And it has to be a typewritten or a computer-generated piece of mail. It cannot be handwritten. That's one of the requirements, and it has to have your South Dakota address on it. So we had one piece of mail that was sent to the South Dakota address, and we used that one piece of mail, that piece of paper, that had our names on it, and it was basically an invoice with the new South Dakota address on it.
Mm-hmm.
And we gave that to the people, along with the receipt for the hotel stay, along with the application, which was 2 pages.
Mm-hmm.
It's available online, along with the affidavit that we had to sign in front of them, and show them our passport, show them our social security card.
Mm-hmm.
And what else did we need?
I guess that's it.
That was it, right?
You give them your license, old license.
Yeah, they took away your old license and asked, it should be a valid old license, but Emily's was actually, she lost her new one, but she had the expired one, and they were able to look up her new one, so they were able to do hers the same day as well.
Mm-hmm.
So it took
no
like
test. No test.
no test.
So
They did an eye test, right, for you?
eye test, yes.
Yeah,
But
I didn't
no
get an eye
driver's
test because I'm not driving.
Not a written test.
No written test and no driving test.
Mm-hmm.
So that was good, and that took about 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
We made the appointment online. It was super fast. We did it in Rapid City. Rapid City has a lot more appointments than Cedar Falls, or what's the place called? Sioux Falls.
Sioux Falls.
Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So Rapid City was really nice. Plus, what did we get to see when we were in Rapid City?
Mount Rushmore and Crazy Horse.
So that was worth it.
Mm-hmm.
And then we drove from Rapid City the next day. After Emily finished her test and we dropped her off at the airport, we were driving back to Illinois.
Mm-hmm.
And we drove through Badlands National Park.
That's right.
And we saw the Badlands.
Mm-hmm.
And you saw a buffalo but didn't take a picture
buffalo,
of it.
we saw some deer and
We had
lots
some deer.
of pretty stuff.
So it was a nice drive. We
Mhm.
spent the night in Cedar Falls. Why do I say that? Sioux Falls, South Dakota. About 5 hours drive
Mhm.
from Rapid City on our way back to Illinois.
Mhm.
And we stayed at the Hyatt place so we can
Yeah.
get our Hyatt nights in, our lead credit
Mhm.
nights in.
Mm-hmm.
And then today we drove about 5 more hours
Mm-hmm.
down to Kansas City, Missouri.
Mhm.
And tonight we're staying at
The Elms Hotel. It's a historic hotel built in the 1888.
and what's it known for?
Ghosts. I don't know. What?
It's known for paranormal events.
Mhm.
Apparently there is a
Mhm.
tour tonight at 9 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. In 1 hour.
In 1 hour, they're going to do a tour. We're not going to be on that tour. We'll probably be asleep by then at
Mhm.
9 o'clock at night.
Mhm.
It is a beautiful hotel, though.
Oh, yeah. It's
And it is a Hyatt hotel. It's a Hyatt destination hotel in case anyone's looking to. That's one of the reasons we stayed here is because we were doing the brand explorers. If you have 5 of the Hyatt brands, you get 1 free night in the category 1 through 4 hotel. And this will be our second brand
Mhm.
that we've done. We'll pick up a few more in Turkey and in Portugal in the next month. So that's why we're here. But it's a very nice hotel.
Oh, yeah.
It is very, very nice. The pool is amazing. The indoor pool is really beautiful. So I would recommend
Has
it.
outdoor pool, outdoor jacuzzi, indoor pool, indoor jacuzzis.
It's just kind of
big
chilly
layout
here.
room. Yeah,
So
it's real pretty, really old.
it is very old, very old. What did we learn on the trip here? Today we had an incident, didn't we?
We got a chipped windshield.
Yes, we did. In our rental car. Luckily, we took the rental car out with a Chase Sapphire Preferred that we pay $99 a year for, and it provides us primary coverage for the rental car, which is important because we no longer own vehicles. So therefore, we no longer have car insurance. So we didn't want to have to pay for the collision damage waiver, so we put this on the Sapphire Preferred for $99 a month, and
Paid
luckily
itself, didn't it?
definitely will pay off for that. So if you're traveling full time, if you've sold everything, you no longer have a car, we definitely recommend that you look into the Sapphire Preferred, and I'll leave a link down below in case anyone's
So
interested.
it shouldn't be any deductibles, just zero. So
And it's
should be
$99 a year, and the points that you get transfer to Hyatt on a one-to-one basis. So we signed up with a 60,000 bonus point offer. So we're going to transfer 60,000 points over to Hyatt, so we can get some more free nights with the award nights. So we just kind of want to let you know why we moved to South Dakota. Well, we're living in Lisbon, Portugal, and the fun we're having with Hyatt. We're having a good time here. We're not going to do the paranormal tour though, and we hope not to see any ghosts. If we do, we'll let you know. And definitely look into the credit card. If you have sold everything and you ever rent a car, you will need some coverage, and you don't want to pay that. It was like $20 a day for that collision damage coverage. And we had the car for, I think, 6 days because we're returning it to Illinois, to Sparta, Illinois, and they're not open on Saturdays and Sundays. So we have to wait till Monday to return the car. So we're keeping it 3 days longer than we had originally planned. So that's like an extra $60 we would have had to pay in for the liability insurance. So that's an update from us. Thanks for watching.
Thanks. Bye-bye.